One, two.
What is going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today we are back on the E36 M3 and we're installing one of my absolute favorite parts I've bought for this car so far. I've been looking forward to buying one of these parts for some time, and they had a pretty good deal on it for Black Friday, and so I picked one up. If you read the title, yes, it is the Turner Motorsport front lip, under tray, and adjustable splitter. I bought the whole entire kit. It was, like I said, it was on sale for a pretty good price, and I didn't want to miss it and happen, you know, I was going to buy it anyways, and so I'd rather buy it for a little bit of a discount than pay full price for it. But as you guys saw, we already have the front bumper off of the car, so now we got to unbox the parts, see if there's any instructions, and then get it installed on the car. So with that, here we go. Alright, you guys just saw everything kind of laid out on the table here after it was unboxed, and everything looks really high quality. I'm really impressed with what Turner was able to do with this entire kit. And yeah, it should be pretty much direct bolt-in. You don't have to do much modification. The only thing you do have to really modify, I guess you could say, is there already exists a couple of holes on each side, each frame rail, the passenger side and the driver's side, and they're meant for factory clips to be installed there. But all you have to do is drill those clips out or take those clips out and then drill new holes to be able to install some riv nuts, so that way these brackets can be bolted to the car. But otherwise, once that's done, everything else is pretty much bolt on. You don't have to really do anything else. And on top of that, this particular video isn't going to be really a how-to for you guys, but I will link both of Turner Motorsport's installation guides in my video description below in case you decide to install it on your E36. But speaking of that, after looking at the installation guides for the past like 45 minutes and kind of, you know, sorting this hardware and figuring out where everything goes and making sure I have all the tools to do the job, I think we are finally ready to get this going and get it installed in the car. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to move over to underneath, drill out those holes like I was saying, and then start getting this thing installed. So here we go. All right, everything is officially installed and buttoned up. It is not fully tightened down because I kind of wanted to show you guys the lip fully retracted and then fully sticking out. But this is about halfway, and then if we push it all the way in, looks pretty good. Not nearly as aggressive looking, but still, you know, plenty aggressive for what it is. And then pulled out all the way, full race car mode. Looks good. It looks really good, actually. I don't know how many of you guys watch my E36 videos who have been sticking around since my F10 video, but when I installed a front lip on my F10, I mentioned how front lips just complete the look of the front end of the car, and obviously like the rest of the car needs some work, but this is like, I don't know, man, this is gonna really change the way the front of the car looks, and I'm really excited to get the car on the ground and see how it all looks buttoned up, which is what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna go ahead and get under there, finally tighten everything down, and then toss the wheels back on and get it on the ground and pull it out of the garage. So next clip, you guys will see it probably on the ground. Here we go. All right, the whole entire assembly is on the car. It is tight, it is buttoned up, and it is looking amazing. I don't know about you guys, but like I said earlier, it really changed the front end of the car, the way the front end of the car looked. It looks way more aggressive now, and it really fills that bottom area underneath the front bumper just like I, planned on. Yeah, man, I'm super hyped on this. I know, it wasn't like a go fast part or anything, but this is one part that I had been really excited to buy and really excited to put on, and hopefully you do the same, man. I think they look really good. I think it's really high quality, and it's pretty expensive, but I think it's well worth it, especially if you can get it on sale like I did. But yeah, I'll put links for everything below for the whole splitter lip and under tray setup. I'll put that in the description below. I'll put the install guides in the description as well, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys get stuck on anything, if you decide to install this on your car and you get stuck, feel free to comment if you're using this video as a reference. But thanks for checking it out. Again, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.